Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable uppercase spell checking in Microsoft Excel. So basically, if you notice if you're typing in capital letters, it won't check to see if there's any misspellings. This tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by left clicking on the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to go down and left click on Options. Now you want to go and left click on proofing on the left side, and where it says ignore words in uppercase, you want to uncheck this in here, and then once you're done doing that, left click on OK, and there you go. It should be enabling upper check spell checking in all Microsoft Office products. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.